So how you can easily create Discord account on your phone. Open Discord and press on register, and you can use your phone number or email address by here. So I am using my phone number to create Discord account. Press on confirm, and you have to complete this verification process, and then you have to enter your verification code, which is already sent to your phone number, and you have to choose your display name. So I am selecting my display name here. Once done, press on next, and here you have to set your username and password, and then you have to choose your date of birth. So I am selecting my date of birth, and once done, press on next again, and press on allow or disallow as your wish. So enter your username, and you can select your profile picture. I am selecting from existing, and just follow the following step. You can add friend from your contact list. So I am skipping this part right now. So this is my Discord profile right now, and you can also edit your about us page, and that's it. So this is how you can easily create Discord account on your mobile device. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.